video, I'm going to show you how you can close your Cash App account. So it's actually super simple. All you have to do is press on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now from here, what we have to do is scroll down until we see the option for support. And we can search for close right here. And we will get this article, close your Cash App account. So closing your Cash App account will disable your cash tags, prevent payments from being received, and sign you out of all sessions. So that's you have to read through all of this information. If you would like to have your account closed permanently, tap confirm, and basically after you just click on this button right here, confirm, then your your Cash App account will be permanently closed. So that's how you do it. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.